Every great cook I know uses a kitchen timer to help keep track of things in the heat of the moment. But the question is, does brand really matter? Well, Adam's here to tell us if that's true.
You have already used a key phrase, Julia, and that is heat of the moment. A lot of cooks are doing a couple of things at once in the kitchen, so it's got to be simple to use. That is our key parameter for timers. Also, it doesn't hurt if it will track multiple events at once.
Before we get started, I have to say, this looks like it came from my daughter's toy closet. I mean, is this like my first timer? This is ridiculous.
I swear I have not been lurking in your house. I have not been in the toy closet.
I mean, what is this? This looks like something we have at my gym.
That's going to be a new segment for us, Equipment Corner and then Body Composition.
What are these handles for?
Back to the matter at hand, the timers. This is the one that we've tested in the past and liked. This is the American Innovative Chef's Quad Timer. Does a lot of things well, but not everything. It's not quite as intuitive as we would like, and also you can't set it for less than a minute. So I went out, I bought 12 new timers to pit against this one for a total lineup of 13. The price range was a low of about $11.50 to a high of almost $50. Accuracy is obviously important for a timer, and it's the digital age. These were all accurate.
Oh, that was easy.
We also did a little bit of abuse testing. We knocked them all off the counter, we smudged them with dough and flour, and we swabbed them with sopping wet kitchen towels. They all survived, so that's good. Let's get to this ease of use question though, and that's where the kitchen testing comes in. Let's talk about these two. My first timer and its yellow buddy over there. These were actually the two most expensive timers in the entire lineup. And even though this one looks like a toy, this was confusing. Testers could not get this to work without reading the instruction manual first.
No, any timer that requires an instruction manual, immediately out of my race.
I am with you on that. That yellow one in front of you, it makes such a shrill, shrieking, terrible alarm noise that it gave some of our testers nightmares. It's really an unpleasant noise. This one, ease of use. See, the screen is on the front.
Nice and big.
Look, the buttons to set the timer on the back.
Oh.
So you have to flip it front, back, front, back.
That's when it falls on the floor.
Now, the one in front of you.
This guy.
Check out that one. Try setting the time on that. What do you think of those buttons?
Oh my gosh, the buttons are so close together and tiny. You actually kind of have to really maneuver a nail in there to touch the little plus or minus button.
Now let's move on to this one. This one requires that you press two buttons simultaneously to set the time.
Seriously?
Two buttons simultaneously. And it was finicky. If you didn't get them exactly in tandem, you would end up adding time instead of resetting the time.
That's ridiculous.
What's more, there was a scroll up to add time, but no reverse. So if you miss your time, if you overshoot it, you got to clear it and start all over again. This one took the cake. This thing was absurd. Some of our testers got so frustrated they wanted to hurl it at the wall. You have to confirm that you don't want minutes if you only want hours.
Oh, goodness.
You have to confirm that you don't want seconds if you only want minutes.
So by the time you set it, your food's overcooked.
Seriously. In the end, it was OXO Good Grips that saved the day. This is the OXO Good Grips triple timer. It's about $20 and it has everything we could ask for in a timer. It's got a little keypad so you can type in the precise time you want. It's got a dedicated clear button. All three timers display at once so you can check what's going on with all your times at a glance. It's stable, it doesn't fall over. This is our new favorite multi-timer.
So it turns out that the brand of timer you buy does matter, and if you want to buy the winner, it is the OXO at just about $20.
Thanks for watching Cook's Country from America's Test Kitchen. So what'd you think?
Leave a comment and let us know which recipes you're excited to make, or just say hi.
Now you can find links to today's recipes and reviews in the video description.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you later.
Alligator.